Are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of emerging technologies? Have you ever wondered what the future holds for us? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Official Tech Expert, a channel that explores the latest advancements that will shape our tomorrow. So hit that subscribe button and join us on this incredible journey through the emerging technologies of the future. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single episode. Number 1. Versy. Versy is like a magician's wand for all you tech-savvy dreamers out there. It's the ultimate virtual reality experience creator that lets you play the role of a wizard and bring your wildest fantasies to life. Want to be on a tropical beach surrounded by dancing flamingos? Boom, Versy's got your back. Want to ride a rainbow unicorn through a candyland? No problemo. With Versy, you're the boss of your virtual universe. So buckle up, folks, because the metaverse just got a whole lot wackier and wonderful with Versy's text-to-space AI magic. Abracadabra, VR style. Number 2. Nvidia Canvas. Get ready to unleash your inner Picasso with Nvidia Canvas. It's like having a personal art genie in your computer. Just doodle some squiggles and voila! Watch as your masterpiece transforms into a jaw-dropping, did a professional artist just do that kind of artwork. And hey, if you want to take your video skills up a notch, Nvidia Broadcast is your secret weapon. Say goodbye to annoying background noise and hello to Hollywood-level production. Plus, with the eye contact feature, you'll have everyone thinking you're a pro at maintaining that camera gaze. Who needs a film crew when you've got Nvidia on your side? Number 3. Nvidia Omniverse. Buckle up, 3D artists, because Nvidia Omniverse is about to take your teamwork to the next level. This bad boy is like having a supercharged art studio on steroids. No more waiting for your turn to work on a project. With Omniverse, you and your buddies can dive into the creative chaos together in real time. It's like an artistic Avengers assemble. And guess what? Your visions will come to life faster than you can say 3D masterpiece. Nvidia knows that time is money, so they've packed Omniverse with all the tools you need to create mind-blowing designs without breaking a sweat. So get ready to collaborate, innovate, and dominate the 3D art world like never before with Nvidia Omniverse. Number 4. Text-to-image and text-to-video generators. Hold on to your seats because the AI-powered creativity train is about to depart. We're talking text-to-image and text-to-video generators that are so mind-blowingly awesome, they make unicorns jealous. Buckle up, folks, because Meta and Google are leading the charge in this tech extravaganza. Kyber lets you play director by simply typing or uploading images, adding some magical prompts, and boom, you got yourself a personalized video that'll make Spielberg go green with envy. And let's not forget about Google's secret weapon. Your text-to-video generator is like having a blockbuster filmmaker in your pocket, just waiting to turn your ideas into jaw-dropping visuals. And hey, you can even get your groove on by uploading songs and selecting different styles to create your very own music videos. It's time to redefine content creation and unleash your inner Spielberg meets Beyonce. Let the AI magic begin. Number 5. LeoPix. LeoPix is an amazing tool that transforms ordinary photographs into captivating animations. It adds depth, adjusts angles, and offers various animation styles to bring your pictures to life in a three-dimensional way. It's a user-friendly platform that enhances visual storytelling and creates engaging animated images. While Google leads in this field offering similar technology, it's important to be cautious of potential misuse, such as the creation of deepfake videos that manipulate reality. Number 6. PMIs. Enter PMIs, the undercover superhero of the internet. Armed with facial recognition technology, it goes on a mission to hunt down any sneaky instances of your pictures being used without your permission. But wait, it's not all free, folks. PMIs comes with a price tag. Why? Because protecting your personal images is serious business. With PMIs, you get an extra layer of security and control over your digital identity, keeping those pictures on lockdown and guarding against unauthorized usage on all those tricky platforms. It's like having your own personal bodyguard for your pixels. Number 7. Rewind. Introducing Rewind, the ultimate time-traveling companion. It's not just a memory archive, it's your digital diary on steroids. With Rewind, you can store and retrieve every precious moment, from photos and videos to heartfelt written entries. It's like having a personal time machine at your fingertips. Get ready to relive the past, take a stroll down memory lane, and embark on a nostalgic journey through your own personal history. With Rewind, you'll cherish and revisit those cherished memories, leaving you feeling all warm and fuzzy inside. Number 8. Deep Nostalgia. Prepare to be amazed by Deep Nostalgia, the mind-blowing tool that turns dusty old photographs into living masterpieces. Brought to you by MyHeritage, this AI-powered wizardry adds a touch of magic to still images, making the subjects come alive. Watch as Grandma nods, Grandpa blinks, and Uncle Bob flashes a smile that reaches your heart. Deep Nostalgia takes static pictures and gives them a dose of reality so extraordinary, you'll be left speechless. It's not just about connecting with your family history, it's about diving into a time capsule and experiencing vintage imagery like never before. Get ready to be wowed by Deep Nostalgia's breathtaking perspective. Number 9. Runaway ML. Runway ML offers a suite of powerful AI tools. Their Super Slow-Mo tool can transform any video into smooth slow motion, regardless of the original frame rate. The painting tool makes object removal from videos effortless. They also provide image tools like text prompt alteration, black and white image colorization, and an upcoming Gen 2 tool for creative video editing. Runway ML empowers creators to enhance their visuals and explore new possibilities in video editing and image manipulation. Number 10. Luma Labs. You won't believe what Luma Labs can do. They've got this mind-blowing feature that turns your ordinary images of rooms or objects into stunning interactive 3D environments. It's like stepping into a whole new world. And that's not all. Luma Labs even lets you bring your own objects into video games, giving you the power to customize and get creative like never before. It's a revolution of the world of 3D creation, making it accessible to everyone. Luma Labs is taking imagination to a whole new dimension. Number 11. Speechify. Introducing Speechify, the incredible AI-powered program that brings text to life. Originally created to support individuals with dyslexia, Speechify has become a game-changer for all kinds of users. With Speechify, you can simply choose any text and let it be read aloud to you. Say goodbye to dull reading sessions and hello to an engaging and enjoyable experience. Whether you need help staying focused or want to enhance your reading journey, Speechify is a convenient solution that effortlessly transforms text into speech. Number 12. Grain. Get ready to revolutionize your Zoom calls with Grain. This incredible tool simplifies the recording and transcribing process, making it a breeze to generate written transcripts of your conversations. But that's not all. Grain takes it a step further by providing AI-generated summaries too. Say goodbye to tedious manual note-taking. With Grain, you can boost productivity by effortlessly locating specific parts of the conversation without sifting through the entire call. Plus, you can label speakers and highlight important moments, streamlining post-call analysis and sharing information like a pro. Grain, your ultimate Zoom call companion. Number 13. Notion. Hey, have you heard of the news about Notion? They've leveled up their note-taking game with AI capabilities. Now you can find writing, summarizing, and brainstorming features right within the app itself. No more juggling between different tools. Notion has got you covered. With AI integration, note-taking and document creation reach new heights of efficiency. It's a clear sign of a trend where AI becomes an essential part of various apps, making tasks simpler and smoother for users. Notion is leading the way into the future of productivity. That's it for today's video, folks. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed making it. If you want to stay on top of the latest and greatest in the world of technology, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. We drop 3 to 5 videos every week, so you'll always have fresh content to feed your tech addiction. And don't forget to leave us a comment with your thoughts and questions. We love hearing from you, and we're always eager to help out. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the flip side with more exciting tech content. Peace out.